Tamil Nadu to launch education assessment survey amid criticism from governor. BS International School celebrates gold medal achievement at National Games. NEET PG 2024 NBEMS collects over Rs 75 crores on exam fees amid mismanagement issues. CBSE English exam delayed at Ranchi Center due to question paper shortage. UK study visa applications rise 13% in January 2025, first growth in a year.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Tamil Nadu School Education Department is set to conduct a statewide education assessment survey to evaluate education standards following criticism from Governor R. N. Ravi and BJP President K. Annamalai. They claim Tamil Nadu's education system lags behind from the other states, citing alarming findings from the annual Status of Education report. The governor criticized the state's education, pointing out that many students struggle with basic skills. In response, Education Minister Anbil Mahesh Poyamoli announced a survey involving 10 lakh students, questioning the credibility of the ASER. The survey will help to identify gaps in education to improve students' outcome. Issues with the Samagra Shiksha scheme and PM Shri initiative were also raised. BS International School Electronic City proudly announces a remarkable achievement by their student Jonathan Gavin Anthony. At just 15 years old, Jonathan clinched the gold medal in men's 10 meters air pistol event at the prestigious 38th National Games, a stunning display of skill and determination. He surpassed seasoned Olympians including Paris Olympic medalist Sarabjot Singh. This victory is a testament to Jonathan's hard work and the holistic approach to excellence fostered within the school. They are incredibly proud of his achievement and remain committed to nurturing the talents of BS International School across all the fields. The National Board of Examinations and Medical Science has collected over Rs 75 crore in exam fees from candidates for NEET PG 2024. Candidates from the general and OBC categories paid Rs 3,500 while SC, ST and PWD candidates paid Rs 2,500. This comes after reduction of Rs 750 in fees from the previous year. The fee changes were made to benefit the large number of aspirants. However, despite the significant revenue, candidates have faced various issues, including cancelling of exams just a day before the scheduled date. Additionally, the NBEMS operates with a cash-based accounting system according to expenses only when invoices are received. According to parents, the CBSE Class 10 English exams at Ranchi Center were delayed by an hour on February 15, 2025 due to an alleged shortage of question papers. However, a center had clarified that the delay was caused by technical issue which the CBSE swiftly resolved. Approximately 500 students were registered at the center. The exam scheduled for 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. proceeded after the issue was resolved, and additional time was provided to the students. The English exam were the first for Class 10 students in the region, with over 31,000 students from Ranchi and Kunti zones enrolled. According to the UK Home Office, the United Kingdom has seen a 13% increase in study visa application in January 2025, marking the first year-on-year monthly growth since October 2023. 28,700 study visa applications were received, surpassing January 2024 and 2023 levels. Despite the increase, dependent visa applications remain low, with only 2,300 recorded in Jan 2025, a significant drop from 3,400 in 2024. Over the past year, more than 4 lakh study visa applications were made, reflecting 13% decline from the previous year. Indian nationals led student visa count with 1,42,848 visas issued in 2023. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theeducationnewsnetwork.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.